Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Ricky Sakay Bungot. I am 38 years old. I am married with two children, aged 16 and 8. My height is 167 centimeters and my weight is 70 kilograms. I work as a gardener in Caloocan City, Philippines to Mr. and Mrs. Henry Kakanindin as my first employer from May 2005 to August 2007. My routine as a family gardener is planting flowers, vegetables, shrubs, and little trees. I do watering, weeding, cultivation of soil, pruning, and trimming. I also do sweep fallen leaves and maintain landscapes, clean and green. I also cleaning pool and fountain. I also maintain the cleanliness of water drainage canal to prevent blockage by rainfall. I also work to my second employer of Holcim Philippines in Bacnotan, La Union from August 2007 to August 2018. My routine here as a company gardener is planting shrubs, trees, flowers, and vegetables like mushroom. I also do watering, weeding, soil cultivation, pruning, operating machineries like grass cutters, lawn mowers, and head trimmers. My third employer is here in San Fernando City, La Union, a company of Lorma Medical Center from August 2018 to March 2026. My routine here is to maintain all the plants and landscapes are in all good conditions by watering, weeding, replanting, soil cultivation, soil sweeping falling dry leaves, cleaning aquariums and fountains. Maintain the garbage area clean and do waste segregation. Thank you. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money, to have a better living, to support my family. I am honest, respectful, punctual, and hardworking. I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese foods. I am promised to finish my 2 years contract with you and I am willing to renew when needed. I hope to see you soon. Thank